Hey everyone, what we're going to talk about today is if you're building your website or funnel within ClickFunnels, one tricky part can be finding the inner page links. And what I mean is creating navigation at the top of the page that allows you to click About Me and have the page scroll down to the appropriate section. And it's not completely obvious when you first go in, so we're going to cover, it should only take about a minute or so, and I'll show you where to find the right way to link that in. So when you're going in and you're editing your page, this is just a homepage style funnel. Up here, this little About Us, Order Now, Member Login. If you go inside of this to Settings, you'll see on the right the link text About Us. Link URL is just a hashtag and same window. To actually get this to link to anything, we have to find the right value to put in here in this link URL. And I'm going to show you where to get that, and then we'll be done. So I want this About Us to link further down the page down here where it talks about project-based consulting, software implementations, all the things my company does. You actually click the element you want it to go down to. So this little diamond picture is where I want that link to lead to. This little settings gear on the right. And then down here, this hashtag to the right, get CSS info. This item right here, this hashtag headline-89, this is what the link within the page will be. So copy that. Go back up to this About Us, this little section here in the header. About Us. And then just drop in what you copied. Click Save. And now you're good to go. So once this is published, when you click About Us, it will navigate automatically down to this About Us section. All right, thanks for watching.